Hi, my name is Tomasz and you're watching Casual DIY channel. In today's video we'll be making some really cool pen blanks. Stick around and watch the video. Right, so what we're actually going to be using, beautiful stabilized burl with some absolutely amazing features as you can see there. And we're going to be using some aluminium honeycomb, but I actually want to distress it in this weird shape, so hopefully it will give us some really cool effects. But let's get started. So before using the aluminium honeycombs, I'm actually going to soak them in some acetone to make sure there's no residue on them, any oils, anything like that. They need to be obviously absolutely clear, absolutely clean, for it to bind with resin correctly. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to leave them for about 10-15 minutes, obviously dry them out and put it back into the mold. Right, so we need to place our burl where we want it, where we think it's going to look the best. And I think for me that will be the best setup. Now we're going to put our aluminium honeycomb. If you're interested in the aluminium honeycomb, I've actually got some for sale. You can check it out on my Etsy store. The link is down below, and obviously the pen blankets as well, they will be for sale over there. So check it out. As I said, the link in the description. And now it's time to mix up the resin. The resin of my choice is from Resin Pro, up to 2 centimeters in depth of casting. It's ratio by weight 100:60, so fairly easy to calculate how much you're actually gonna need. And I've got some good news for you. It's a very good resin. I've been using it for a while, and I do have a discount code with the supplier. I've partnered with Resin Pro, and to get 10% off your shopping of anything they've got in the shop, just put Casual DIY at the checkout. The link to their website is down below in the description. Go and check it out. It's definitely worth having a look what products they've got. It's an Italian based company, but they obviously ship to UK and most of European countries. And as I say, the prices of these resins are really competitive, and the quality is very good. Go and check them out. So I've divided the main pot into also 3 smaller ones. In the main pot we're going to have this beautiful purple color with a bit of absolutely fantastic looking glitter and some mica powder as well. In the other one we're going to have black pigment with some black mica powder. We're also going to have anti-gold and pure white mica powder as well. just want to apologize to you guys, but my camera died when I was cutting the block into smaller pieces, into the pen blank size pieces, so sorry for that. Unfortunately, I've lost that footage, but you can check out the rest of the video. And there you go, guys. I think they come out really absolutely fantastic. Fairly unique, I think you would have to say. Check out this one. Really, really cool. Some of them will be available on my Etsy store as the Aluminium Honeycomb. That should be available as well. And you're going to support my channel as well and what I do, and will help me to make basically more projects. So if you do decide to purchase something from my store, thank you very much for doing so. Obviously, it's fairly difficult to actually show you off how fantastic they actually look on camera, especially on the lens I've got. So go and head to my Instagram account. I will be posting a few photos of those, and obviously higher resolution and better quality, so you can check out how they look exactly. I also encourage you to check out my resin tutorials that cover more or less all the basics you're gonna need, right up to a bit more advanced things like stabilization, cactus juice, drying wood, and obviously casting and everything like that. That's the playlist over here. Go and head out, check out those videos. Maybe you'll find some information that you've been missing for a while, or you wanted to find something else. But for now, that's all. Thank you so much for watching, and till next time.